Are you looking for the professional brake bleeder kits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 professional brake bleeder kits that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Beefire 3L Brake Bleeding Kit. I'd been putting off a complete brake flush because I dreaded the whole 2-person routine. The Beefire kit changed everything. That 3-liter capacity is perfect. I flushed my sedan's entire system without stopping to refill, which kept the process smooth and bubble-free. The pressure gauge gives me confidence I'm not overpressurizing anything, and that relief valve is genuinely useful when you need to pop the cap off safely. The adapters fit my master cylinder snugly with 0 leaks, which was my biggest concern after reading about other brands. I love the waste bottle with the chain. Hangs right on my jack stand and keeps drips off my garage floor. The polyethylene construction feels tough enough to last years, not like those flimsy plastic kits that crack. Setup took 10 minutes following the manual. Then I was bleeding brakes like a pro. Best investment for anyone serious about DIY maintenance. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DURATECH 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit. I've owned several brake bleeder kits over the years, but the DURATECH stands out for its completeness. Right out of the box, you get everything needed for multiple automotive tasks, not just brake bleeding. The vacuum gauge is surprisingly accurate, reading consistently across the 0 to 30 in Hg range. I've used it to diagnose vacuum leaks, test my brake booster, and even seal food containers in a pinch. The reservoir jar is a thoughtful addition that catches fluid cleanly without making a mess. What I appreciate most is the organized carry case. No more hunting for adapters in my toolbox. Everything stays together and ready to go. The handle fits comfortably in hand during extended use, and those transparent hoses let you see exactly what's happening. Whether you're a weekend warrior or running a small shop, this kit delivers genuine versatility. It's become one of those tools I reach for constantly, well beyond just brake maintenance. At number 3, we have the vbaxy Brake Bleeder Hose. Don't let the basic design fool you. This vbaxy bleeder hose punches well above its weight. I picked it up as a budget option for my motorcycle maintenance, and it's become my go-to tool every time. The aluminum construction is smart engineering. Brake fluid eats through lesser materials, but this hose shows no signs of degradation after multiple uses. The soft tube bends easily around tight spots near the calipers, which my old rigid hose never could. That one-way check valve is the real hero here. It keeps air from sneaking back in while you're working solo, eliminating the frustration of rebleeding the same wheel twice. The clips attach securely without fuss, no wrestling with connections mid-job. For motorcycle owners especially, this is a no-brainer purchase. It does exactly what it promises without unnecessary bells and whistles. Sometimes, the simplest tools are the most reliable, and this little hose proves it every time I use it. At number 2, we have the Orion MotorTech Brake Bleeder Kit. After struggling with traditional 2-person brake bleeding methods for too long, the Orion MotorTech Kit has been a revelation. The handheld vacuum pump lets me tackle all 4 wheels by myself in under 20 minutes. That's genuinely impressive. The build quality stands out immediately. The aluminum construction with black oxide finish feels solid and professional grade, not like cheap plastic tools that crack after a few uses. I've used it through hot summer garage sessions, and the PVC tubes handle the heat without any issues. What makes this kit special is its versatility. Beyond brake bleeding, I've used it to check vacuum leaks, change power steering fluid, and even diagnose a carburetor problem on my older bike. The included adapters fit everything I've thrown at them. The pressure gauge gives accurate readings, and the seal stays tight throughout the entire process. For anyone doing their own maintenance, this tool pays for itself after just one use. And finally, at number 1, we have the OFBAND 2-set Brake Bleeder Kit. I've been doing my own brake work for years, and this OFBAND kit has made bleeding brakes so much easier. The 2-set package is perfect, since I can keep one in my garage and one in my travel toolkit. What really impressed me is the quality of the check valves. They actually work as advertised, preventing any backflow of air or fluid. No more messy spills thanks to those handy clamps. The rubber hoses are surprisingly flexible yet sturdy, making it simple to navigate around tight engine bays. The dust caps are a nice touch I didn't expect to use much, but they've kept my bleeder screws clean between services. Setup takes maybe 2 minutes, and the whole process feels professional compared to the old 2-person pump method. For the price, you're getting reliable tools that work on everything from my motorcycle to my truck. Honestly wish I'd bought this years ago. Would have saved countless hours of frustration.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.